This short video will be going over safety guidelines and building maintenance that will ensure safety to all our staff and all our employees in certain situations. Let's get started. General safety tips. Keep walkways clear, floors clean, and storage areas well organized. This helps prevent slips, trips, and falls. Proper lifting techniques. When lifting heavy objects, always bend your knees and lift with your legs. Use proper lifting equipment when necessary, and remember to ask for assistance when needed. Electrical safety. Only authorized personnel should handle electrical systems. Regularly inspect and maintain electrical panels, outlets, and cords to prevent potential hazards. Fire safety. Familiarize yourself with emergency exits, fire extinguisher locations, and evacuation procedures. Conduct regular fire drills to ensure everyone is well prepared. Proper tool usage. Use tools and equipment properly, following manufacturer guidelines. Keep tools well maintained and always wear appropriate personal protective equipment. Hazardous materials handling. When dealing with hazardous materials, wear the necessary protective gear and follow proper disposal procedures. Store chemicals in designated areas away from incompatible substances. Emergency response. Familiarize yourself with emergency response protocols. Know the location of first aid kits and emergency contact information. In case of an emergency, remain calm and follow established procedures. So there you have it. There's our safety video for Ron Hoover, RV and Equipment of Laredo. From all of us to all of you, have a happy Thanksgiving.
Happy Thanksgiving!